Most creators don't fail on YouTube. They quit right before they were about to win. You think it's about talent, luck, or algorithm, but actually, 90% of creators quit because of just three mistakes. And if you're making even one of these, you are already on that path. First reason, no results. You upload videos, you put effort, but views dead. This is where most people quit. But here is the truth. You are not failing. You're just making videos no one is scrolling for. Always note that YouTube is not a social media. It's a search engine platform. So what is the solution for this? If you want results, stop guessing, start posting viral topics backed by data. You can use the tools like Google Trends or vidIQ. Check the search volume, interest over time. If people are already searching it, your video has a chance to blow up. Second reason, you run out of ideas. In the beginning, you have excitement, but after 10 to 20 videos, your mind goes blank, completely blank, no ideas, nothing. And that's where consistency dies. On YouTube, consistency matters a lot even today, guys. Top creators don't think of ideas, they collect and systemize them. Here is how. Go to the YouTube analytics, check what's working. You can use the vidIQ or TubeBuddy extensions for keyword ideas. Type in YouTube and search. Let's see what the auto suggestions will come. Even in Google also, you can search and check what people are asking in your niche. Content ideas are everywhere. You just need to capture them daily by putting some time into it. Third and most dangerous, burnout. You try to do everything, script, shoot, edit, thumbnail, and slowly you start hating the thing you once loved. To fix this, systems. Stop relying on motivation. Start building a repeatable system. Create an SOP for each video. Idea, script, shoot, edit, thumbnail, and upload. When everything is structured, you don't feel overwhelmed, you just execute. So if you're thinking of quitting YouTube, remember this, it's not lack of talent, it's lack of strategy. Fix these three things and you will already be ahead of 90% of creators. And if you want personal guidance on growing on YouTube, I'm offering a one-on-one mentorship program where I personally help you with content strategy, viral topic research, channel growth roadmap. Link is in the description box. Spots are limited, so don't miss it. So before ending this video, I want to tell you one thing, guys, because the next video you post could be the one that changes everything.